Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy on G by Nancy. Today we're going to do something completely different. So basically, I've replaced my hubcaps a numerous amount of times and I've eventually gotten sick of it. I've thought of putting rims, but let's just say that I know that they'll probably end up looking a little rusty soon. And I've decided that I am just going to order some new hubcaps. I usually get them from Amazon. They're usually around $50, but they're on sale right now. And I actually got them, I believe, like 30 something. I will get back to you on that because I ordered them a while back, but I just haven't had time to put them on. So, okay, so here we go, story time. So every time I take them to Discount Tire, for some reason, they keep flying off. Either they don't know how to put them on, or I just need to like work a little on my like turning skills. But regardless, I've come up with the conclusion that I should order new hubcaps and super glue them. And what better person to put them on than me, right? So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film this. I'm gonna let y'all see how I do this. And if it does not turn out the way that I want it to, I will definitely go to Discount Tire or NTB or Tire or whatever and get them to check it out. Just because, like, you know, we can't be having flying hubcaps on the freeway. So yeah, if you want to see how I replace my hubcaps and how I super glue them, stick around. It's gonna be a roller coaster. So here is the unboxing of my hubcaps, which they're not really sealed very well. I just literally put a knife through them, and the tape just kind of fell apart. Okay, let's see what I got. So I ordered these hubcaps, and they're nothing special, but I mean, I've used them before. As you can see, I already took that one off. I'm working with, okay, so this is what came in here. I wanted to see if I could find the price, but they don't come with like an invoice or anything. Okay, so let me get everything set up. So I am definitely a read the instructions first type of girl. So I'm just gonna fit this bad boy onto the tire thing and see what happens. La primera. This is the first one right here. I'm very proud of myself. It took me like 10 minutes to figure it out, but I figured it out. It looks just like the picture. I went with option position 1, which is like the small wheel. I'm gonna test it out, see how that works. So I basically applied the glue all around those little things. Let's see if it works, guys. Puse mi primera. I've put my first one, guys. I'm so proud of myself. Let's move on to the next. Okay guys, so I just realized that I actually needed to use the large, so I had to take them off, and I did suffer a little, so I think I might end up with glue all over my hands. So let's just pray that my hands don't end up really like glued or like stuck together or skin falling off. But I'm moving on to the second one now, finally. So I just finished putting my second hubcap on. I think I did a pretty good job. This is the old one. Ladies, ever want to try this? Or gentlemen, the easiest way to like put these little strings on is basically to like stick it in here, and then like, sorry, excuse my nails, I knew I was gonna do this weekend, so I waited on doing my nails. Stick it right here, like in one of these, and then stick the other thing in the other one, and then like it's gonna like be outside, right? And then you're gonna go individually and start pressing it in. It's easier than trying to like doing it before, because like it involves a lot of pressure to like put it inside. It's easier this way, so just do it like that, and they just start going on their own. But that's basically what you do. And then this is where I like then go in and put the glue on the sides. Damn, I'm a beast. put them all on. ¡Whee! Para que no digan que no soy una mujer de muchos talentos. So, I suffered some minor injuries. One right there, I mean, you can't even see it. And I broke my nail. And I already washed my hands, but this glue is not going away. So I guess I'm just gonna have to wait and like keep putting lotion on it till it like falls off. But yeah, guys.